Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kalimpong Ilekay District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet Araja Apusan, balapanya da ka Office District Sports Officer ka West Jantia Hills, ringkat ka Jingitre lang ka West Jantia District Sports Association, kalasdang ha ka Arpulay Tarik Uyayong, Hamadan Kiang Nangba, Stadium Jowai. Ha ka ni Kalimpong Ilekay Balay Silinter, lawan ni Shimbenta da ki kendai spa ngut tam ki kena, shinrang bat kentay, na ki Arpu Pratali ki school na Kalengka District. Hala ki jongki kerdan Ilekay ki bakentup na do ka under 14, under 16 but under 18. Ya kan ka inter-school athletic meet lawan ban play da ka kong APSM ka Joint Director of School Education and Literacy Government of Meghalaya ka balakit bok ket ruang Sheikh Baro ki khana ki bayashim benta bat pan pawru ka jingile kayo ka bapan wandur ya ka jinglong bat kalawai jong ki khana bat lingba kum kini ki rinsan kala ailat ki khana ban pen I ya ka sap bat ka jing tibet ka jongki ha ka kam yele kai uba Krubok Pasa u District Sports Officer West Jantia Hills District, but uba Patrick Lamare u Vice President ka West Jantia District Sports Association, kiladan lang ru ha kani kasngi nalor kinong hikay bat kikna school.
I promise that we shall take part in this inter-school athletic meet 2025, respecting and abiding by the rules which govern them, without the use of broken and drugs, in the true spirit of sportsmanship, for the glory of sports and the honor of all sports.
Silver goes to Loving Star Shooting of North Liberty. And the gold medal goes to Adriano Muscat of Tommy Memorial.
The District Level Inter-School Athletic Meet 2025. It is an honor for me to be a part of this program, and it is always auspicious and it is always my pleasure to be a part with all my dear students to share your celebrations in whatever field, whether it is in academics or whether it is in sports. It is an honor for me to stand here before you today, and on behalf of the Education Department, I extend my warm welcome and also my best wishes to all the athletes who are taking part in this athletic meet of the District 2025. We all know that sports plays a very, very important role in the life of our youths, especially for those of you who have your talents and your skills. This is where we can showcase your talents and your skills, this is a huge platform so that you will be able to show your talents and your skills. Now, when we speak only academically, we are very happy. I am very happy to tell all of you here today that in the last board exams of class 10, our district performed very, very well. And I hope and pray that even in sports also, as we have done in the last Meghalaya Games, I hope that this time also, when we go for the state level athletic meet, I hope and pray that our district, from here, you will be selected, and I pray that you will shine again and come out victorious and do well, even in the state level that is going to be held soon, I believe next on the 19th. Spirit of participation, as I always say, the most important that counts is the spirit of participation. So I hope that through this platform that we are having this year also, I believe and I pray that you will perform your various talents, your various skills, showcase them in a sportsmanship manner, whereby you will support and respect one another, and you will encourage one another, and also you will learn from one another, not only your techniques, your skills, but also you will learn to love and respect one another. So I pray to God that He will grant you good health through the entire event, and that He will be with you throughout your lives so that you will do better in your future days to come. And I pray to God that God will grant you more talents and more skills, that you will come out victorious for each and every one of you, not only in sports, but in your life.